What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another day in the vlog. Motorcycle vlog for you guys. Just a couple minutes of the ride. Had work, and then we ended up riding around for a bit to the scenic route, grabbed a bite, and then that was it. So, got a couple minutes for you of the ride-in. Here it is. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Like I said, only a couple minutes or whatever. It's fun riding. But that is going to do it for the vlog. Hope you guys are well. I got to get up early for work tomorrow. But yeah, I'll see you guys around.